My name is Samantha, and I'm the librarian, the youth librarian at the Northeast branch, and I made 2 paper airplanes. I'm a big believer in the classics. This one was just a piece of paper, fold it up, and then I put 2 magnets. I don't know if you can see that. 2 magnets here and here, and I'm hoping the weight will help keep it straight as it flies. And then I got a little funkier with this one. I double layered a magazine paper with a tin foil paper. And then I put stickers on top. I don't know if that will make wind resistance and make it just like fall, we'll see. I put one magnet in the middle for weight, and then I put this foil tip on it so it'll slice through the air.
Hi guys, my name's Kim and I also work at the Central Library, and I made very stylistic choices over function for my airplane, okay? So I really liked this paper. So it's got this really nice design on it. You can see it looks very old school, you know? And so what I did is I folded it up and add the magnets, because magnets, I mean, hello, they're very fun, okay? And a sticker, of course. So we'll see. I really don't expect this to be successful at all, but I had a good time making it. And then the other one, only slightly more serious. I did foil on the bottom in the more traditional style, and then for added drag, I put just one solid piece of magazine with this nice lady on top. So yeah, that's my plan.
Librarian at the Blueford Branch, and I channeled my 3rd grade self, so that means of course I named them. This is Mackenzie and Magneto. She's real basic, but you can't go wrong with just no frills. I did want to give her a little bit more weight, so she's got a few of those little baby magnets on her. And then this, for obvious reasons, Magneto is solid metal and is made strictly of aluminum foil, nothing else. A couple of magnets. To be honest, she has not been tested at all. I don't know how she's gonna fly.